Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 2, question number 54. Let X and Y denote this set containing 2 and 20 distinct objects respectively, and F denote this set of all possible functions defined from X to Y. Let small f be randomly chosen from F. The probability of F being 1 to 1 is dash. So it is saying we have two set, one is X, another is Y, and X contain 2 elements and Y contain 20 distinct elements. So let X contain A, B, and Y contain 1, 2, 3 till 20. Now this capital F denote the set of all possible functions defined from X to Y. So set of all possible functions from X to Y equals to Y cardinality power X cardinality. Y cardinality equals to 20, 20 power 2 functions possible. We can say 20 multiplication 20 functions possible from set X to set Y. Now from this we will choose F randomly, and this small f denotes the one-to-one functions. So how many one-to-one functions possible from set X to set Y? It's permutation of Y contain 20 elements and 2. So we can say 20 factorial divide 20 minus 2 factorial. It's 20 multiplication 19 multiplication 18 factorial divide 18 factorial. These two will be cancelled. It's 20 multiplication 19. Now it is asking the possibility of f being 1 to 1. So how many 1 to 1 functions possible? 20 multiplication 19. How many total functions? 20 multiplication 20. The possibility that the chosen function is 1 to 1 is 20 multiplication 19 divide 20 multiplication 20. So 20 will be cancelled. Now 19 divide 20, it's 0.95. So the possibility of f being 1 to 1 is 0.95. So here answer will be 0.95. I already discussed functions and one-to-one functions. There I discussed how to find number of functions possible and number of one-to-one functions possible. Just go through that. And if today's lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.